What's going on, guys? I was originally going to jump on here and do a quick review video on my new camera and audio setup, but I was going to do a comparison between it and my previous camera and audio setup. And wouldn't you know it, I completely forgot to bring the cage for my GoPro. So we're going to do something else today, and I'm just going to talk a little bit about what's been going on lately. Last year I didn't really put out any videos. A lot of it was because that I was having issues, not with my video or any of the visuals or anything, but because of the audio. And I tried several different things. I had an external recorder, a little voice recorder that I'd plug my mic into and keep in my jacket pocket. Well, for some reason that stopped recording out of the right what do you call that? I don't know what it's called, but you have a left and a right. It would stop recording out of the right one, and I was only getting audio from the left one, and that audio was coming out all completely gargled, and no matter what I did, I could not get the audio to sound nice. At least not nice enough to actually put out a video. So I dug out my old block for my GoPro and I plugged it into that, and wouldn't you know it, go to record, and the audio, that was a horrible freaking turn. I swear it feels like I have to relearn how to ride every single year. The audio, you can kind of hear what I'm saying if I'm not on my bike and not moving yet, but the moment you start getting up and going, oh man, that kind of hurt. Big old dip. Start going, and all you'd hear is the bike. You wouldn't hear anything else. You would just hear the bike. So I got a new microphone, thinking that was the problem, and did the process all over again. Tried the external voice recorder. Same thing. It was only recording out of the left, and plug it into the block, even with an adapter, because it was a 3-ring plug and not a 2. Start recording, same exact thing. I thought maybe it was my GoPro. It was a GoPro Hero 5, and talked to my uncle about it, because he's much more knowledgeable about cameras and what have you. I mean, he's really into cameras right now. He does his own YouTube channel, quite a bit bigger than mine, because I've been dealing with this problem. He has a couple other channels as well for other things, like but so I asked him, since he knows more about cameras, and he also had a GoPro Hero 5, which he didn't use anymore, so he gave it to me, and for a while that worked, but shortly thereafter it stopped recording the audio again. So I finally broke down last week, and after doing research and everything on it, I was gonna buy a new GoPro, like maybe upgrade to like maybe a Hero 7, but I noticed I wasn't too sure about that, because everything I've looked up and everything, the only real difference between the Hero 5 and 6 and 7 is just the visuals and the stabilization. So I kind of did some research on maybe getting a newer one, maybe like an 8 or 9 or higher. But again, the only thing that really changed was maybe the stabilization was better from the Hero 7 and on, and they changed the batteries on them, so I didn't want to have to buy a new camera and then have to buy a bunch of new batteries, because I had a ton of batteries for my Hero 5 and I didn't want to spend the money on all those other camera batteries. At the same time, from the Hero 7 on, they didn't really change anything. So it's pretty much, from my research and reviews I've read and watched, they're all pretty much the same camera. They're just a new year, new edition, but all pretty much the same camera. So I didn't really trust them. Got talking to my uncle again, and he recommended me to check out the DJI Osmo Action cameras. He's been using those for a while, and I looked at the reviews and looked them up and everything, and they look like a good camera, especially since everybody loves the drones. So I thought, okay, I'll get one of those, and wasn't sure which one I wanted. So I was doing some research on it, and then while looking through, my uncle even came up to me and he was like, "Hey man, I've been thinking about getting this new Osmo Action, the Osmo Action 4." So I kind of looked at that, and I know, yeah, it's super new. It's only been out for a few months. But the thing that I really liked about it, that kind of made me jump on it, was the fact that you can actually do a Bluetooth microphone with it. So you don't have to worry about the cord sticking out of your helmet or wires wound up underneath the pads and what have you, and it pushing stuff out of the way. Now, granted, this is a little cramped inside. The microphone sticks out a little bit, but all said and done, I'm enjoying it. And I've been messing with it for a few days now. I haven't really found anything I've disliked about it so far. And yeah, I definitely like the ability of the Bluetooth microphone, because if I'm sure if a lot of you have watched YouTube videos, you see a little black, for those of you that don't know, anyway, a little black thing that's clipped to people's shirts. That's the DJI microphone. Sadly though, it only works if you have the DJI Mic 2, and it won't work with the Mic 1, which is okay. I didn't have any DJI microphone or camera equipment or anything, so I kind of just went ahead and bought the camera and a mic by itself. Nice thing was, the website I got it from was website mount. Again, my uncle, he gets his camera stuff from this website called B&H Photo. I looked it up, and they got free 2-day shipping no matter where you are, which is nice. So I bought that, and I'm definitely enjoying it so far. So, is it recording? Okay. I wasn't sure if it was still recording. It was about to shut off on me. I will say that's a nice perk with the camera, is that it has an auto shut off feature, unlike the GoPros. So if you have it sitting too long, it'll just shut itself off to save power, which is nice. Anyway, if I'll put a link in the description below if you guys want to check out this camera, I got the Action, this, like I said, this is the Osmo Action 4, and I got the Adventure combo, so it comes with a lot of extra stuff on it. I'll probably end up using some of this stuff later on, but as of right now, probably not. It comes with an extending pole. It's like 4.5 feet long. A bunch of other just little tiny accessories that speed up, lady. Jeez. Gee, what the heck was that about? That man, it comes with 3 batteries compared to just the normal camera by itself. Comes with 1. It also comes with this nice little case that'll carry around the 3 batteries and actually charge them when you put them in. So it's like a little portable charger battery case. Other things are the base actually has this magnetic base on it, so you can actually click it on and off a lot quicker than having to unscrew the little pin that holds the camera in place on here. You can just click the little tabs on the side of it and pull it off, which is nice. Quick and easy access. Just click it off and go. The recording features on this, from reviews I've watched and read about, compared to the GoPros, whereas in order to get a quality video to be put up on YouTube, I'd actually have to record in like 1080p, even though the cameras can do 4K. But when you upload it to edit it, and then from the editing to uploading it to YouTube, somewhere in there, it loses some of the graphics and stuff, and the pixels, and so it comes out all crappy when you try to record and then edit and then upload in 4K. So you would basically record in 1080 and then upload in like 2.7. Oh, I forgot about this road construction. But with these ones, they'll record and you can edit and even upload all in the same graphics and what have you. So like right now I have it in 2.7K, which seems to be the optimum range for it right now. And then it will actually edit in that same one and upload in that same. So that's definitely a plus. Other than that, all around Osmo Action, especially the Osmo Action 4, which I have, being biased here, totally recommend doing and getting compared to other cameras and audio recording. I just kind of wanted to come on here and let you guys know that now with the new setup I have and all that, I'll definitely be putting out more videos, so I hope you guys look forward to it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. So as always, go out, have fun, be safe, and stay free. Catch you guys later.